Hello and welcome to my channel, Save Here First. My name is Ella. I just received my electronic mystery box from Catch'nDealz. Thanks to Jackin Palette for providing the information. I paid $200 for the box plus tax, which is $12. It's not a very big box and it doesn't have the weight on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this so we can take a look and see the goodies we received, or I received. And what I'm gonna do is a part 2 just to show all the items, how many items and how much each one will cost, plus hopefully how much I will make. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Got my knife ready, so let's go. So I don't know if I showed the box, so if I didn't, let me show it again. So you can see, it's not a really big box, so I'm just gonna open it. Let's take a look. Oh, thank you for your purchase. Okay, a thank you note, that's great. Ooh, well, box is not full, as you can see. At least there's still a lot of space to put some more items in it, but let's just take a look. Portable FM transmitter. Oh, okay. Hopefully you can see it. Now, okay. This is, well, it's open, but take a look. Don't know what this will sell for, but I guess I'm gonna have to look up the price for that. Hopefully that will fetch a pretty penny. Okay, let's take a look at the next item. Wow, this one's open as well. Pluggable 10-port hub for charging. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's not, don't think it's been used. It's got this seal on top. It's got the plug, so everything is in here. I'll just double check it later. But yeah, that's that. Okay, these are kids ear defender. So they're for kids, babies, I guess. Don't know if you can see. Okay, good. Let's open it. Thought all these will be sealed. This actually looks like a return. It has some stain on there. It's not sealed. So I'll probably give it a good clean, but this looks like, yeah, it's been used. Oh, it's being used, it's being used. Okay, I don't know how much this will cost, but I think I'm gonna put it up as used. So put that one down there. I was hoping this box will be all new stuff, but unsealed, that's what they said. Sealed on there. So this one, Power One. Don't know what this is, but we're gonna take a look. Another box. The box is damaged. Men's Italian designer MOM. Stainless steel with black dowel stainless steel. Okay, let's just go ahead and open it. Okay, I saw a palette jacking unboxing this, so I guess this is a watch. You can see it's a watch. Oh yeah, it's got its tag on it, which is good. And this
This retails for $330. We just have to make sure it's working. This probably will be a pretty penny. Okay, so I just have to check it out, make sure it's working, but it's got its tag, which is good. Alrighty. Okay. Box is damaged, but I think it will still sell, so put that to one side. Silent crusher. What's this? Oh, destroys smoke, pet, and food odor. This will be good for your car. It's great. It actually looks like probably it was open because the seal it's out, but let's double check it. Just make sure it's okay. That's one. Let's take another look. Another headset for children. It's a children's headset. This is sealed. Just the box is a little bit dent, but it's sealed. So hopefully that should bring a pretty penny. Cable. Wireless router. Okay, so this is a wireless router. Actually, it looks like it's factory sealed. It's not open. It's a wireless router, which is great. Okay, we'll have to check that out. What else? Kitchen scale. Oh, kitchen scale. It's not open. Good. So that should bring a pretty penny. It's not open, but it's check. Alrighty. These phone chargers. And what's this? Clear mobile protection kit. So for the protect your phone. And let's see. Oh, it's got a few cases in there. Protect your phone. You just have to check how much this is. Okay. It's a good one. All right. Dome class. This is Galaxy Note 8. Don't know what this is. Edge to edge 3D. Is it a look like a protection case? But it's sealed. It's not open. The box is a little, well, it's a bit dent. Yeah, it's sealed. Well, it should still sell. Okay, what else? HR block. Interesting. And I don't know if you can sell this. This says 2019 deluxe and plus state tax software. Okay, Microsoft. It's another one. I don't know what this is. Hopefully it sells. Maybe it doesn't. Okay, these adapters, I guess. Yeah, they're adapters.
probably $10. Another case, this one is sealed. So same company as the other one, only this looks like it's, oh, this is for a clear iPhone 7 and 8. This is 7 and 8. And this one is, I guess it's just a screen protector. It doesn't really say for what, but that's what that is. Okay, let's see. Interesting. What is this? Fossil, let's see. Hopefully it's a watch. Oh yeah, it's a watch. It's a watch. It's a watch. And this, let's go ahead and open this. Let me tell you, if the watches sell, it will pay back the money I spent on this box. $125. That is not bad. $125. And it's working. You can see, I don't know if you can see the tick, 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 tick. It's working. It's not used. Yeah, it's working. Whew. This will make some nice Christmas gift. So hopefully that sells fast. So that's 2 watches. One costs $330. This is $125. So that's a steal. So we got this. Do not load. Help us improve your. Okay, this is sealed. So although the box is just a little bit damaged, but it's sealed, I can't really open it. So don't know what this is. It's a battery. It might be a battery charger, but I will have to Google this and find out what it is. But it looks like it might be a battery charger. What else? What else? Okay, 6 and 12 volt battery tester. Battery tester. I have to check this out. Oh, okay. It's open. Well, for those that have a car, I don't have a car. So this is cool. Yeah, cool. Very portable. You can put it in your car just in case your battery dies. Oh, that's gone under the chair, so I'll just have to check that out. Yeah, it's got a seal on it, so it hasn't been used, so that's good. Okay, we're almost coming to the end of the box. Unbreakable able. What's this? Don't know. It's sealed. So let's see. It says for iPhone, iPad, iPod, lightning cable. So it must be cable. It's sealed. See, sealed. Find out what that is. Another iPhone case. This one is sealed. 3-piece iPhone XS Max glass. So that's what that says on it. Another kitchen scale. See, another kitchen scale. So that's 2. And what is this? Oh, earphone. Let's go ahead and open this. Okay, this is sealed, so I can open it up to see what it is, but I'm gonna Google it so I can find out what the picture looks like. Okay, so that's it, people. The box is empty. Now, I will have to do a part 2. I'll put all the items together. And before that, I'll just do a little bit of research to find out how much it will cost me. I paid $200 for the box, plus tax, that's $212. I don't know how many items, so I'll have to total up how many items and divide it and see how much each item costs and how much I will gain. But from the watches, I think I made my money back. So, all in all, is it a good deal? We'll know in part 2. But I just want to say thank you again to Pallet Jackins for providing the information. And I'm going to go ahead and list this fast so I can sell them fast and make my money and get ready for round 2. So have a great weekend. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. So have a great day, everyone. Have a blessed weekend, and I'll be back with part 2. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can check me out on Poshmark and Mercari at SaveHereFirst. I'm on Facebook, Marketplace. So check me out. Thank you. Bye.